You understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
Use the outside diameter, 10 poles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Then this is, you put the metal on the bottom there. Drill the holes through. Bond them in. So that they all couple. Right?
And then you have a...
Then this is where your generator disc goes.
With a metal
Steel
plate.
on one side.
Yeah, steel on one side.
A coupler here to couple to the shaft.
Yep.
Which I'll make. Okay? So, boom. There. In degrees. Right?
Yep.
See? So, but actually these are going to move in like maybe 1/4 of an inch. This is 24 inches.
There it is. Slowly but surely. And what is it drawing? 75? 200. You can see the bulb flash in there. The little. Actually, that's the no, it's the incandescent bulb here. Just a temporary prop.
Okay, so let's get it up to some speed and see what it does.
Well, it's going to charge that battery real good, that's for sure. It's going. See what I mean? You don't need much for this thing to go. It will sustain good speed, so.
How do you know? See how many RPMs it's got.
1 revolution per 8 seconds. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately 4. So
That big coil will really send it, right?
yeah, so we could run it on the big coil to go fast, and then we could switch over to this at any time. Just tap.
I'd wind a different coil.
No, I know.
If you had the coil switch, it'd be really going.
Yeah, but we're talking about running. And we're charging batteries at the same time.
You're not drawing nothing. Actually, you got too low of ohms right there. Sorry. Let's give it up a little bit. See what it's drawing. Actually, it's drawing less.
Is it? Yeah. Well,
It's so fast. See?
now it's 100 milliamps.
Typical monopole, Rick. Right?
Yep, charging the batteries.
It's a regular circuit to it without all that crap, and it'll go. Be going faster than you want it to go. Well, that's nothing for it, right?
you can't stop it.
No, you can't. Not once it's going. That's why you could really get hurt.
So we're looking at impulses. So we're only running it part of the time, right? So we're looking at 100 milliamp pulses at
They're dead batteries. These batteries are dead.
so 2 watts. 2 watts to run this whole
Right.
400 pound,
200 pounds.
well, 200 pound rotor. Yeah, that's at least, I would say 250.
Can you hear it?
Of course, I gotta get a
Okay.
wide view of this thing.
Giving a little bitty tap each time.
Toot, toot, toot.
Little bitty.
I mean, that's the key. Okay, it's just I'll let it record that for a while too. So we'll have it on there.
Well, of course, you're really big. Can't you parallel it up? Just one wire.
Yeah, there's two sets of wires that are parallel. Oh, you're talking about the, I could make resistance go down. See what happens. That's 47 ohms. Let's see if it goes.
There you go.
What's the meter say?
Nothing. 100 mils.
So, well, it's a really neat toy that you can have just spinning in your shop all the time.
Now, what's it doing the other battery?
Charging it pretty fast.
So it's going to tell you where the speed is with that coil right now.
So look at it with the scope. See it? You can hear it. It's not just one pulse. It's oscillating. Like it's more than, that's probably like 5 pulses. It's not a thump. It's a zoom.
No, it's a thumb.
Unless that's just the echo. It sounds like a saw. Blades. Zoom, zoom.
So that's about the speed it's going to run.
Yep. It'll hold that.
Maybe. See, it's got not quite enough field if it had a bigger field.
Oh,
You
yeah.
could go up to 36 volts. You could use it. Put that on there. See how much power that's to record it. Why is it still clicking?
Good. Okay, so that's maybe.
There you go. So now we got 150 mils. 100 mils.
200. 200. Pick one, Steve.
Yeah.
I'm gonna charge you that.
Get a little push each time. Is it staying?
Yep. Daddy, I want one of these. Give me one.
That's a 7-watt motor.
Oh. Whoa, good one.
Yes, you do. You see that?
Yeah, that's really shitty. Yeah, we don't have a battery.
Huh?
We don't have a battery.
No.
Oh, we got it hit. Oh, look at that, one of the rods came out.
Okay, take it out of the way. And then let it start.
Well, see how much. Is that loose rod? I thought it was. Oh, once I pulled it up a little bit. Let's do this one.
You go keep it going.
Right, it'll speed up.
I would
that go? Of course, now we're going up 700 milliamp pulses. Now watch this thing go. It'll take a while to pick up speed, but
That's almost 15 more.
charging that battery.
Is it picking up?
Yep, still going. You're right, it needs to be a bigger coil.
Yeah.
But it's sort of, what it's doing is it's stopping it and then pushing it. The gap needs to be all changed and everything in this coil.
No, it has to be a positive on when it comes on. That's why I'm going to use a cold switch on it, because I need the motor. Going faster.
Yeah, it takes a bit to pick up speed.
What's heavy?
That's a lot, yeah.
Starting to go.
The battery's turning charged too. See, the reason why it's cracking is because I loosened it up to get that bar.
Loosen what up?
I loosened this one support up to drop it down, and I lost it. So it is a matter of getting this lined up. Makes a big difference.
It's not one anymore.
Well, I just have to move it over a little bit more. I'll get that straightened out. I just wanted to feel it. I don't know, I think there's a string hiding here somewhere.
Milo.
There's a thread. Or no, there's air blowing.
It should be, it has power, but it should be like, be left right there.
Well, it might get up to that speed.
Well, that's done 100 mil.
Yeah. So that's where it wants to be at. It's pushing it harder until it gets it up to the speed it wants. And now the light's not even flashing.
Well, you gotta short it.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Yeah.
Actually, it wants to go into red. But you're only talking about one device. You're not talking about any kind of a coil.
I know. One circuit.
Right. But twice, 100 times the size wheel that was on the trip.
I know.
Well, let's clean it up and we'll go, Rick. And then
Yeah.
you stick it on. I'll just try it on. Rather than just take it all off. Because they're gonna come in one over tomorrow.
Yeah, we can just fix it.
You're gonna straighten it up tomorrow. Right? We're gonna wind the coil, right? We're gonna wind the coil tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll wind the coil, right? You're gonna take all this off because you don't want them to run this.
No, I don't.
Well, it's actually flexing these bars.
Oh, the support?
Yeah. Well, of course, because that's a pretty big feel. You're right, the guy works all the time on there. Okay. We're okay.
Now you're sounding there.
Tomorrow, wind the coil. Yeah. You're right, we're gonna have to take two of these out. So we'll have to take two of this when we do this.
Yeah.
Oh. There you go.
All right, here's us winding the coil, or rather, finished winding it. We used
About 4,000.
2 buckets of 19 gauge wire and 2 of 15 gauge wire. Big coil. All right.
Follow me?
Yep.
Just enough for a washer. Just enough for one of these washers. Like this. Just enough for one of these washers. See?
Yep.
That way your magnetic field is concentrated. Well, we'll see if it pulls it, I think. Ken,
Okay,
north-south poles.
okay. I gotta watch that. I guess you gotta do that.
Well,
too.
what you get is, this is 1/2.
Well, I thought you had to have 12 in there, so that way you'd wire every
No.
third one together.
No.
Okay,
No, you'll see.
okay.
And then this one gets this plate and an aluminum plate on the front where the shaft goes through, right?
Right.
And the magnets sit on the iron plate here. And it's coupled between two pieces of iron.
Right.
And this one's doing the spinning.
Okay. Yeah, I
And
gotta
it's
see.
directly right to the shaft. But you know yourself that the bigger you get
Oh,
the
yeah.
generator,
Yeah.
the slower it can go. Right?
Right, yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So, probably going like, I would say, Gordy, that this thing may be going about like that.
Wow,
On
look at
this
what.
size, on this size stator, that's gonna come out to 10 or 15 kW.
No, it's not.
No,
What it'll come out to? Because this is about the size stator plate we use on those.
not for
video
that
mills,
speed though.
On the Provence,
That's
on,
not-
on that speed. Well,
This
no,
will
they're
come
running.
out.
No, I'm gonna say it's gonna be going double that speed right there.
Yeah, it'll be going double that.
So how many
speed.
kW you think it's gonna make? 3, 5? What do you think?
Oh, no, Gordy, these are gonna be dumped into a secondary bank of batteries.
Okay, so how much power
And
is
I'll
it
be
gonna make?
pulling, I don't know.
We'll see.
Amps or less.
This is a coal
One
motor,
per
this
kit.
is different.
Okay, so how much
This
power?
has got
is
a
it?
different, I'm gonna probably make, I'm not gonna even try to rate it, 5 kW, 10 kW. I'm gonna be putting maybe, if I'm lucky, 12 watts into the motor.
To make 10 kW, 5.
I mean, you can't do anything.
To make 3 kW would be
Marty,
phenomenal.
if you take this and try to stop this here,
Oh, you can't do it, yeah.
you're gonna have to load the crap out of that,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's, what is it, 40 to 1?
Well, I don't know, but what do you say the percentage is between?
That's what I was guessing, 20 to 40 to 1. You'd have to math it out. But.
Well, it's 7/8 inch shaft.
No.
What are you talking
No,
about?
the torque
Diameter
load.
wise.
Yeah, the torque load on the outside of the wheel versus the torque load on the inside
Oh, yeah.
amplified. So your mechanical advantage
So what
is
you have
20
is
to
you
1
have-
anyway.
You have
Well, figure the radius.
that, right, that fulcrum level,
That
right?
fulcrum level of the radius to the center point. You've got at least a 20 to 1 mechanical advantage, and then multiple.
So 11
you got 40 to 1 mechanical
11
advantage.
foot
So this
wheel.
isn't gonna really take anything.
No, it's not gonna feel anything. It's not
Wow.
gonna, it's just a matter of speed. You have instant cutting off the bottom because it's
Well,
a generator.
Rick and I will probably idle it at some point. And put idle on it, because you won't be able to do anything with the energy.
Yeah,
You have to be recycling it every which way, and I've got 4 inverters.
Well, we'll bring that big table with all our lights.
you don't want it spinning real fast. You're gonna have to idle it because
We'll bring that display light thing, John.
Well, this doesn't have to go very fast.
yeah, but that thing's gonna, if you get it going too fast, it's gonna vibrate itself.
You got those
Yeah.
20
Shake everywhere.
2400 watts of bulbs on that display.
I don't want that.
We can bring
I don't
that
want any of that. I don't want to tell them too much.
on it.
It's a history lesson, Rick.
Yeah, that's exactly. It's a history display. You got it.
It's a history lesson. Yeah, it's charging these batteries, and every once in a while he throws it to the front battery.
Okay, so my son's gonna be on one side, my daughter's gonna be on the other side, and they're gonna spin in there the whole time.
I go Malaysia, Walmart and get dolls, Chinese dolls. And put them on coat hangers and let them go around in the wheel.
Put big cards in there.
That's scary, isn't
Yeah.
it, Gordy?
Huh?
That is scary in a way.
Yeah, that'd take a hand off.
Take your head off.
Take your head off, yeah, I would. Now I think it's a spinning.
You've probably seen that on the.
Yeah, there you
No,
go.
I mean, that's pretty frightening if you're not familiar
You
with-
scared me.
Well, come on.
All right, here it is.
No.
Look at this thing. Here's the coil.
Oh, I see what it is.
What?
The bearings are out.
Is it pulled out? All right, here we are. We're talking about 1.5 amps. That's 60 volts. Got some good charge in here. .68 volts charging.
$90
That's hot. I'm telling you, you're producing 90 watts worth of heat here in these resistors.
No, if you set up the cold switch right, it'll go faster.
Well, I know, yeah. Yes, so we don't have the right resistances in these, because we're burning up a lot of heat on those resistors that we don't need to. So half of our energy right here is in heat.
Well, the other thing is the coil's moving on you.
No, I know. We gotta get that one corner down on this side. That's half the movement right there.
Right. I'll do it. And I want to put it right here, right?
Yep. No, wait, are you going right into the
Yeah, I'm going right
the
there.
frame, eh?
I'm going right there. It won't make the frame.
Now, do you have any bolt right in the center holding that board down?
Yeah. Here and I'll put them in.
We have an invisible hamster. There's an invisible hamster running around this cage here. That's what's really happening.
Right here, put the coil middle one right there. Lock that coil down. So you're starting to go faster because it ain't moving.
Yep.
You hear that coil?
So all you gotta do is tie something from those corners right down, and it'll give the flex, it will absorb the flex.
Now let's stop it for a minute, turn it up. And I'll do something.
Just stop the whole wheel.
Okay, and then hold it in between. Hold it in between.
Like this?
Yep. They want to go like that, see?
Oh, I knew that was coming. Oh man.
But you're right here, so.
Yeah, well, you got a big white mark on your hand. Chop.
Didn't hurt, right?
I guess when you get old, you don't feel it
You
anymore.
don't feel nothing. You don't feel shit. And it may want to go a different direction than what it's going.
Yeah, you could see some of them were turning themselves that way.
Because the fields are spinning.
Oh,
Now we got him?
yep, now we're going the other way.
See, we need that. It likes it the other one. Better. Likes to go this way. So, counterclockwise. See?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's the way the fields are spinning. It picks up pretty quick. Right?
Yep.
You bolt that coil down really good and it'll go faster. See, we concentrated all the fields with the iron.
Well, you could take two pieces on either side, going down on an angle, tie that in there. And
We'll
it'll,
just bend them out more.
well, that's what I mean, but secure them down to the base, like, and that would absorb the vibration, I think. Like if you go like this.
No, because see, what's happening is the magnet, what's doing is sucking it in.
Let's see.
Yeah. Let's go down. Ready? Go ahead. Okay. Let's get out of there. It's gonna pick up speed, see? moving the base for this.
Yeah.
Okay, stop it for a minute. Stop it completely. Get in here. Yeah, look, I can get in there.
Here, let me hold it down while you do it. If I, no, if I push this down, you can. Oh yeah, you want to do a drill first.
Yeah, I can get it
Here.
Just need that one there. See if you can get that. Right?
Yeah, that's where it is. You're exactly right.
That's it.
All right, I'm gonna get another resistor.
What's that?
75 ohms. Just brought it up another 200 milliamps.
Yeah, but it's a little faster.
Let's see.
The base.
Yeah, it's between here and here. It's on that side.
Between where and where? Oh. Then put this in the center. Right here.
No, it's just tight. This
Right here.
this needs to be tied tighter. It's just the paint coming up from it.
I don't know if you can tighten that one.
It's pretty good.
Just the center here. About right there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Hold on, let me look.
Is it right where this bolt?
Yeah, it's right where that bolt is.
Where, right
Yeah,
here?
right there.
Right there?
Yep. There you go. Now the other side, a little bit looser. See, watch.
Where?
Right in the center again. There you go.
The better you get the coil, the more it'll go. I want to know how we can get it up there somewhere. See, it's moving too much, right? Well, it's trying to generate, right?
Yeah. Okay, I gotta go back to this.
No one wants to go where it wants to go, right?
Yeah, I know, but I think I go back down to 100 ohms here.
Yeah. Why? Get the light bulb out of the circuit. Not doing anything. See? Going faster. See my point?
Yep.
What's that?
I was just feeling the resistors. See how hot they were. Yeah, I mean we got 470s on those, so. And this one's 100 ohm.
Well, how many RPM is
All right.
it? Not very many.
8 times around. 8 seconds to go around. Or that's 7. Okay, let's follow the pink one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's about 1. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4,
No, it's revolutions per minute,
6,
right?
7. Approximately 7 seconds takes to go around.
How many revolutions in a minute?
So,
I'm gonna get the timer and time it.
it's it's about time I brought the camera out again. I keep forgetting.
We're just motoring it with that motor. Up there, Rick.
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
Look at that. I forgot to bring the camera out for a while here. Yeah, so we've missed a whole section. Anyway, we got all the wires here. hooked up. Of course, the secret is in the box, right? The white box.
Is in the all white box.
Ultra capacitors, right?
Yeah. I want to get some of those.
And here's Dave. Turn the light on.
Rick, if you're using those big rectifiers,
Yeah?
you're dooming your system.
Are they all bad?
We tried another Chinese type, the big ones. They're just energy hogs. They steal it all of it. That's why they're blowing out.
Well, there's only been a few of them that blew out, but
No, it's not that they're bad, it's how they're made. Here comes the master. Now let me get that.
Okay, so what do you got?
That's turning it.
Right now?
Yeah.
What are you, with one coil or how many coils? What are you doing?
That's turning the wheel.
All of them?
Look at the timing. See these black dots? They're north. See the dots here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
So when they're in line, it should be just past the pole when it fires. Now remember, it doesn't fire in all the north. That's strange, isn't it, Rick? Doesn't make sense, does it?
Okay, so you don't want to run them at the same time.
It's gonna go up to $2.
Market cap 17,258,000. So it should be higher than that.
would be blind. That'd be insider.
No. Keep working, Chuck. Our bonuses are stopped. When we get it up there, it's gotta be worth something for somebody.
What are the lots you're selling?
What?
I was asking Gary what.
Well, you wanna buy some?
I'm thinking.
I have right now 400,000 shares that'll cost you 20 grand. Or you can buy 10 grand.
Go to the
for
top one,
200,000.
right, Dave, and that's your input battery.
Yeah,
So that's,
Now, are they screwed, Dave?
they're screwed.
How much more screwed?
And on federal land. Of course, I don't know what kind they be or what you do with them, but the thing is,
Well, you're basically one step away from anti-gravity. For generating the wind.
a resonant type wave.
Yep.
This is Jacob House.
Yep, this is Jacob.
Yeah, I was surfing around through the Jacob files.
It's a monstrous looking thing. And you can't screw
Pretty
that
wild stuff.
Huh?
can't screw with anything we make.
No.
There's a lot of stuff.
It'd roll easier if you put a little more in the I don't think it's legal to talk on cell phones in this state while you're driving a truck.
Oh, wait, are we in
Lower when you put the blades on it.
Ain't you for falling asleep at the wheel? Just give me a wink.
Analog guy. I'm an analog engineer. There aren't any more analog engineers. Everything goes to digital. But guess what? You're looking at me in analog. And you're listening to me in analog. It's not a 1 and a 0. It's a varying wave, isn't it? Is the universe 1s and 0s? Do you see that coming? Not me.
I'm smelling everybody in analog.
Yeah, you are. Because everybody's sweating. They want to know what's under that cover. You got to look at reality. It's waves. Everything that comes from the sun, everything that we do, that nature does, it doesn't know what digital is. No such thing to it. It just uses a great potential, and pretty soon you dig in the ground and you get a golden nugget. That's how it works. John didn't hide anything from you. It's right there, right out in front of you. Take it apart. Be my guest. Nobody's hiding a damn thing from you, because I don't believe in cheating. I won't cheat. If I want to cheat, I'll become a stockbroker. I can help you do it, I will. I'm here this one time. You're in for a bang. You're gonna get a real bang tomorrow. And you'll never forget it. And this time, guess what? There's so many machines out there, they'll probably never be able to bury this again.